we introduce you to non-toxic eggs and organic egg production. Self-sufficiency in egg production is still a dream in spite of the facilities and resources in our country. Every day, trucks loaded with toxic eggs, laden with toxins by use of antibiotics, insulin, formalin, hormones, cholesterol, etc., enter our state borders. Organic farming is the new global trend. These trends, along with the increase in population, pose a challenge to agriculture for producing more and better food. The global poultry industry has advanced significantly over the last several decades. Egg-laying hens is the most popular in poultry farming. Micro-layer system is a solution to those with only a small quantity of floor space. In cities, a poultry lover can hardly spare open land for rearing birds. For all such people, this system will be of worth because it helps keeping birds in minimal space. R. Deepu and R. Ammu of Nakkadu DS Mandiram are educated and qualified youngsters. When their job in a private firm was lost, their search for a steady, independent source of income led them to this high-tech egg-laying chicken farm. They started rearing 100 hens in the cattle shed in their backyard and expanded it to a poultry fit for 500 hens. They now have 300 hens to meet their family expenses successfully. It's easy to sell all the eggs, and to meet the demands of the buyer, they need to expand and increase the number of hens. Concentration on care has made these farmers very successful.
ഒരു സ്വകാര്യ സ്ഥാപനത്തിൽ ജോലി നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട എനിക്ക് സ്വന്തം തൊഴിൽ കണ്ടെത്താൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് സ്വയം തൊഴിലായി മുട്ട കോഴി വളർത്തൽ ഞാൻ തുടങ്ങിയത്. ഇത് എല്ലാ ചെറുപ്പക്കാർക്കും തുടങ്ങാനും പിന്നെ വലിയ ജോലിക്കാരും ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടും ഇല്ലാതെ നടത്തിക്കൊണ്ടുപോകാനും പറ്റും. ഇതിൽ എനിക്ക് 300 കോഴികളുണ്ട്. ഈ 300 കോഴിയിൽ നിന്നും എനിക്ക് മാസം 19,500 രൂപ പ്രതിമാസം വരുമാനം കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ട്. കൃഷി ഭവൻ്റെ ജൈവ പച്ചക്കറി സ്റ്റാൾ തന്നെ ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. ചെറുന്നൂർ പഞ്ചായത്ത്, ചെറുന്നൂർ പഞ്ചായത്ത്, ഒറ്റൂർ പഞ്ചായത്ത്, ഈ 3 പഞ്ചായത്തുകൾ സ്ഥിരമായി മുട്ട കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. വിപണനത്തിന് ഒരു ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടും ഇതുവരെ സംഭവിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. നല്ല വിലയും കിട്ടും.
Egg-laying hens poultry shed with a chain-linked metal cage that protects the birds from dogs, cats, falcons and other predators is provided. In battery system metal cages, each rack can accommodate 5 birds. Feeder bowls are arranged in such a way that there is a feed available always. For water to be available automatically with nipples, and pipes are being provided with nipple cups. A water tank is also arranged to store the necessary water. Large eggs with brown-colored shells is a favorite among the buyer. The specialty of these eggs are a smaller yellow yolk and a more white of the egg. Lesser cholesterol and presence of more omega-3 fatty acids make these eggs a special treat. A farmer is trained by the company to take care for these non-brooding egg-laying variety of hens. The hens are replaced when they no longer can lay eggs by the agency. The return on initial investment is gained within a year and a half. The profit from the sale of the hens after they are done egg laying and the arrival of new hens is the additional attractive prospects of this farming. The agency arranges for the project to be covered by insurance for the first year. Many lakhs of unemployed people in our country can benefit from egg-laying hen farming without any kind of fear. Omega 36 is a company that is leading in the field of poultry farming in Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka by providing thousands of employment opportunities for the people.